41 Surprising Uses for Onion Juice. Did you know that onion juice isn't just good for making us cry? This useful extract is packed with benefits and can make many everyday tasks easier in unexpected ways. In this video, I present 41 ways to use it in your home, garden, or even in your personal care routine. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips like this. Tell me how you use it in the comments. Let's go! 1. Hair growth stimulant. Weak, thinning hair needs specific nutrients. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which strengthens hair follicles. Apply fresh onion juice to your scalp, massage gently, and leave on for 30 minutes before washing. With regular application, you'll notice stronger hair and accelerated growth. 2. Natural metal polish. Metal objects lose their shine over time. Dampen a cloth with onion juice and rub the surface of your silver, copper, or brass objects. The compounds in onion juice react with the tarnish, removing it and restoring your metal pieces' original shine without scratching them. 3. Natural repellent for plant pests. Pests can quickly devastate your garden. Mix onion juice with water in a 1:3 ratio and spray your affected plants. The strong scent and sulfur compounds effectively repel aphids, mites, and other harmful insects without using chemicals that are toxic to your plants or the environment. 4. Natural food preservative. Fresh foods spoil quickly. Add a few drops of onion juice to homemade sauces or preparations you want to preserve longer. Its natural antibacterial properties will slow the growth of microorganisms, prolonging the shelf life of your preparations without adding artificial preservatives. In any case, always pay close attention to the risk of botulism. 5. Remedy for a mild form of acne. Acne can be persistent and difficult to treat. Apply a small amount of onion juice directly to pimples with a cotton swab before bed. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will reduce inflammation and speed healing. 6. Household insect repellent. Ants and other insects can invade your home. Spray diluted onion juice on problem areas like door frames, windows, or cracks. The strong scent acts as a natural barrier that insects will avoid, keeping your home free of invaders without the use of chemical insecticides. 7. Natural fungicide for plants. Fungal diseases can ruin your plants. Prepare a solution with 1 part onion juice and 5 parts water, and spray affected plants every 3 days. The natural antifungal compounds in onion juice will combat the fungus without harming the plants or contaminating the soil. 8. Marinade for meats. Tough meats need tenderizing to become more flavorful. Add onion juice to your marinades for red meat or poultry. The natural enzymes present in the juice will help break down the meat fibers, tenderizing it and adding a deeper flavor to your dishes. 9. Treatment for scars and skin blemishes. Scars and blemishes can affect our confidence. Apply onion juice directly to scars or blemishes with a cotton ball, leaving it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. Its regenerative and lightening properties will help reduce the visibility of marks with consistent use. 10. Fresh paint odor eliminator. The smell of fresh paint can be unpleasant and persistent. Place containers of onion juice in freshly painted rooms. The juice will absorb the chemical odors from the paint, neutralizing them and making the environment more pleasant while it completes drying. 11. Composting accelerator. Compost sometimes takes too long to complete. Water your compost pile with onion juice diluted in water. The sulfur compounds and enzymes will accelerate the decomposition process, activate beneficial microorganisms, and enrich the final compost with additional nutrients for your plants. 12. Remedy for sore throat. A sore throat can be debilitating. Mix a teaspoon of onion juice with a tablespoon of honey and sip it slowly. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will soothe the pain, reduce inflammation, and fight infection, providing fast relief. 13. Solution for insect bites. Insect bites cause discomfort and inflammation. Apply a drop of onion juice directly to the bite. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties will reduce swelling, soothe itching, and speed healing, providing immediate relief. 14. Glass and mirror cleaner. Dirty glass and mirrors affect the aesthetics of your home. Mix equal parts onion juice and water and use this solution to clean glass and mirrors. The natural compounds in the juice dissolve grease and dirt, leaving surfaces shiny and streak-free. 15. Protection against plant diseases. Plants are vulnerable to various diseases. Spray your plants preventively with a solution of onion juice and water once a week. The antibacterial and antifungal compounds will strengthen the plant's immune system, making them more resistant to pathogens. 16. Relief for cold symptoms. Colds can drain our energy. Prepare an infusion with a tablespoon of onion juice, lemon juice, and honey. Its antiviral, expectorant, and anti-inflammatory properties will relieve congestion, reduce coughing, and strengthen the immune system for a faster recovery. 17. Remedy for dandruff. Dandruff can be embarrassing and difficult to control. Massage onion juice into your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash as usual. Its antifungal properties will combat the underlying cause of dandruff, while its moisturizing qualities will eliminate dryness. 18. Rust remover for small objects. Rust can ruin tools and metal objects. Soak rusty objects in pure onion juice for several hours. The juice's natural acids will dissolve the rust, allowing you to easily brush it off, restoring your object's functionality. 19. Stimulant for seed germination. Seeds sometimes take a while to germinate. Soak the seeds in a diluted onion juice solution, 110, for 12 hours before planting. The bioactive compounds will stimulate the germination process, significantly increasing the success rate and producing stronger seedlings. 20. Cholesterol reducer. High cholesterol is a common health problem. Add a tablespoon of onion juice diluted in water or fruit juice to your daily diet. The sulfur compounds in quercetin will help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, good cholesterol, improving your cardiovascular health. 21. Treatment for brittle nails. Brittle nails can be a cosmetic problem. Soak your nails in onion juice for 15 minutes daily. The minerals and sulfur compounds will strengthen the keratin in your nails, making them more resistant to breakage and stimulating healthier growth. 22. Barbecue grill cleaner. Dirty grills affect the flavor of your food. Rub the grates with onion juice before lighting the grill, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then brush. Natural enzymes will break down charred grease and residue, making them easier to remove. 23. Nutrient absorption enhancer in the soil. Plants sometimes can't absorb all the available nutrients. Water the soil around your plants with diluted onion juice, 120, monthly. The bioactive compounds will improve soil structure and increase nutrient availability for your plants. 24. Digestion improver. Digestive problems are common after heavy meals. Drink a teaspoon of onion juice diluted in water after meals. Its compounds will stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, reduce intestinal inflammation, and prevent gas formation. 25. Itchy scalp reliever. An itchy scalp can be very bothersome. Apply diluted onion juice to your scalp, massage gently, and rinse after 20 minutes. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties will soothe irritation and effectively reduce itching. 26. Wild animal repellent in the garden. Wild animals can devastate your garden. Spray the edges of your garden with diluted onion juice every few days. The strong scent will keep away rabbits, deer, and other animals that could damage your crops, without harming them or contaminating your plants. 27. Natural anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is linked to many ailments. Consume a teaspoon of onion juice diluted in water or fruit juice daily. Its bioactive compounds, especially quercetin, will reduce systemic inflammation, relieving symptoms of arthritis and other conditions. 28. Dark Circle Reducer. Dark circles can make us look tired. Soak tea bags in diluted onion juice and place them over your eyes for 10 minutes. Its anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting properties will reduce puffiness and discoloration, improving the appearance of the eye area. 29. Drain Unblocker. Clogged drains are a common household problem. Pour half a cup of onion juice followed by boiling water down the clogged drain. The natural compounds will break down organic waste and accumulated grease, clearing the blockage without harsh chemicals. 30. Immune System Enhancer. A weak immune system makes us vulnerable to illness. Add a tablespoon of onion juice to your daily diet, mixed with honey or fruit juice. Its antioxidant-rich compounds, vitamin C and quercetin, will strengthen your natural defenses. 31. Treatment for nail fungus. Nail fungus is persistent and difficult to eliminate. Apply pure onion juice to the affected nails twice a day. Its powerful antifungal properties will penetrate the nail and eliminate the infection from the root, gradually restoring the health of your nails. 32. Polish for wood furniture. Wooden furniture loses its shine over time. Mix equal parts onion juice and olive oil and apply to the furniture with a soft cloth. This natural mixture will nourish the wood, restore its shine, and create a protective layer against dust. 33. Blood sugar level regulator. Unstable blood sugar levels affect our health. Consume a teaspoon of onion juice diluted in water before meals. The active compounds will help regulate insulin and stabilize blood glucose levels naturally and progressively. 34. Remedy for warts. Warts can be unsightly and contagious. Apply onion juice directly to the wart and cover it with a bandage overnight. Its antiviral properties and natural acids will attack the virus causing it and eliminate it with consistent application. 35. Adhesive and glue residue remover. Sticky residue is difficult to remove. Apply onion juice to the residue, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then rub gently. Natural enzymes will break down the adhesive, allowing you to easily remove it without damaging the surface. 36. Muscle cramp reliever. Muscle cramps can be painful and debilitating. Mix onion juice with a little olive oil and massage the affected area. Its anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties will quickly relieve pain and reduce tension. 37. Treatment for cracked heels. Dry, cracked heels can be painful and unsightly. Apply pure onion juice to your heels, cover with socks, and leave on overnight. Its moisturizing and regenerative properties will soften hardened skin and heal cracks effectively. 38. Earache reliever. Ear pain can be intense and bothersome. Soak a cotton ball in onion juice and place it near your ear for 10 minutes. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties will reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and fight any infection. 39. Blood pressure reducer. Hypertension is a serious health problem. Consume a tablespoon of onion juice diluted in water daily. The sulfur compounds will help dilate blood vessels, reduce peripheral resistance, and naturally lower high blood pressure. Remember to always consult your doctor for any questions related to your health. 40. Reduces gum inflammation. Inflamed gums can cause pain and lead to dental problems. Apply diluted onion juice directly to the affected gums or rinse your mouth with onion juice diluted in water. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties will effectively reduce inflammation. 41. Hand odor eliminator. Tough hand odors are difficult to eliminate. Rub your hands with onion juice and then wash them with soap and water. Surprisingly, the juice will neutralize strong odors like garlic, fish, or chemicals, leaving your hands completely odor-free. Onion juice is a versatile and useful product for numerous household, garden, personal care, and cooking tasks. From improving the health of your skin and hair to solving everyday problems, this natural juice has multiple benefits you may not have known about, and that can transform your daily routine. What's your favorite way to use onion juice? Share it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications to discover more tips that will help you keep your home clean and healthy using natural and affordable products.